Hi, today we're looking at 6 Amazon kitchen tools and gadgets for seniors and for those who may also be suffering with arthritis or weak hands, and we're starting right now. If scrubbing countertops, tiles or even the bathtub is a challenge, this tool is going to be your best friend. It comes with an extendable arm and 4 rotating brushes and cleaning pads that can make cleaning those hard to reach places a breeze. No more bending, stretching or straining, just let the scrubber do the hard work for you. If you ever struggle to open a tightly squeezed jar, the jar opener is going to be a lifesaver. With its strong, hands-free operation, it makes opening new jars a breeze. Simply place it on top, press the large push button, and let it do the work for you. The jar opens in one smooth turn, eliminating the risk of struggle or injury to your hands. It's incredibly easy to use for people of all ages, and it only takes 2 AA batteries. Now, heavy kitchen appliances like coffee makers or mixers can be tough to move around, but with a bamboo sliding tray, which comes in various sizes, you don't have to worry about lifting them anymore. Just slide them out when you need them and slide them back when you're done. It's a great way to keep the kitchen organised and accessible without straining your hands or back. Now, doing the dishes can be a daunting task, especially if dealing with a heavy bowl full of water. Now, the Joseph Wash and Drain Kitchen Washing Up Bowl makes it much easier. It has a removable plug, so you can drain the water without lifting or emptying an entire bowl. Plus, the straining plug catches large food particles, helping to prevent the sink blockages. Now let's talk about eating with ease. The iMedic Comfort Grips Cutlery set is designed specially for people with Alzheimer's, arthritis, or even a weak grasp. The safe, wide, ergonomic handles with rubber grips make picking up the fork, the knife or the spoon much easier and more comfortable. No more struggling with tiny, slippery utensils. This dishwasher safe set provides the support and comfort you need, so you can enjoy your meals without frustration. The electric can opener. Now, this gadget automatically rotates around the lid and opens the can for you, leaving no sharp edges behind. It runs on 4 AA batteries, and if gripping and twisting are difficult for you, this tool will make opening cans effortless and safe. Next on the list is the stainless steel pan strainer. Now, pouring out boiling water or draining pasta can be tricky, especially if you're dealing with a heavy pot. Now, this strainer is designed to sit securely on the edge of your pot or your pan, letting you drain the liquid out without the fear of spills or burn. Now, comment below which tool you think will be most useful in your kitchen. For more kitchen videos, check out the next one coming up.